In this video, we will discuss about the foreign exchange trader. A day in the life of a foreign exchange trader can be stressful given the high rate of fluctuation in foreign currency values. Analyzing the various factors that influence exchange rates and economics. Foreign exchange traders make massive money through the sale and purchase of currencies in different foreign exchange markets. A foreign exchange trader analyzes reports, reads the press from various countries, manages accounts, and spread a majority of the time on the phone. To be honest, this is not the job for faint hearted people to exploit valuation differences. You typically have no more than a few seconds to make decisions involving millions of dollars. Thus, this job is for those with the strongest decision making skills, the right contracts, and most the accurate information. Most of the time, it's the intuition that develops with the experience that leads to gains. A principle associated with this foreign exchange trading is that no advanced degree can make someone a more successful trader, as traders are born, not made. Therefore, besides entry level qualification, few employees would ever leave for higher education. Yet, a bachelor's degree in mathematics, statistics, or economics is equal for entry. Employers often value trading experiences, foreign language proficiency, international exposure, and foreign education. Candidates typically start as account managers rather than traders, so they out of possesses strong interpersonal skills for entry into this field. Asset manager role demand strong analytical skills, and the most competitive asset manager and are detail oriented. This allows the manager to closely examine each asset in the client's portfolio. He should possess in-depth knowledge of the mechanism of investment markets, such as he is able to recognize upcoming trend that can impact the value of portfolio and make decisions accordingly.